In this video, I'll demonstrate how to do the laboratory exercise detecting threats and vulnerabilities of the Cybersecurity Essentials course from Cisco. The objective is to use the tool Nmap, a port scanner, and network mapping tool to detect threats and vulnerabilities on the system. This is an open source utility used for network security auditing. But before we start, subscribe to the channel not to miss more videos about Linux operating systems and networking. Hit the like button if this video helps you, and write a comment if you have any questions about this exercise, Linux operating system or networking. Let's start by opening the terminal, and at this point you need to have installed the Nmap tool. So let's run the Nmap tool. You write the command nmap space and localhost to run a scan on localhost. The results are the scan of the first 1024 TCP ports. That we can see that at port 22, TCP, the state is open for the service SSH, and at port 23 for the service Telnet. Now let's use administrative privileges with Nmap. So write sudo to use superuser nmap space dash lowercase s uppercase u and localhost and enter. You have to enter the password for the superuser, so it's password. It will start the scan, and we can see the UDP ports. So the port 68, 631 and 5353. And those ports are opened for these services. Now let's perform a version detection to see the vulnerabilities with the version we are using. So write the command nmap dash lower s uppercase v and localhost and enter. And we get the information about the version we are using. Now let's capture SSH keys. This will run a set of scripts built into Nmap to test specific vulnerabilities. Write the command nmap space dash uppercase a space localhost and enter. We can see that on port 22, using TCP, we have two SSH host keys. This one for the RSA and the other one for the ECDSA. And this was a simple demonstration how to use Nmap to check some vulnerabilities of the operating system. If you want to know more about Nmap, check the website nmap.org. Now, subscribe to the channel to see more videos about Linux operating systems. Hit the like button if this video helped you, and write in the comments if you have any questions about Linux operating systems or networking. And I will see you on the next video.